Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a cute mermaid. And for that, what you need is your pencil eraser, your paper, marker, and some paint. So let's get started with our cute and beautiful mermaid.
So I took my paper vertically and then I will start it over here at the top of my paper. So what I'm gonna do over here, first I'm making a little curvy line. You did it, very good. And after the curve, I'm gonna make a kind of a U shape all the way from left to right. Make a nice and beautiful U shape. And then you come back and connect here. Very good. Okay, so this is our face. So let's make the eyes. For the eyes, we'll just make one curvy line here and another curvy line over here. So that's going to be closed eyes, and I'm making 2 lashes. If you want to add a few more, you can do that. Beautiful, very nice. Now we'll make the smiley here. Good job. Then after that we'll do the hair, but we'll do the hair a little bit later. First we'll do this entire mermaid body. So I'm making this neck area. Very good. And from that neck area I'm coming all the way down toward left and toward right. Good job. And I'm making one curvy line coming down here, and it will go back up and connect here. It's like number 3, upside down number 3. You did it, very good. Now we'll make the tail, and the tail will start and go all the way toward the left side. So what I'm gonna do first, I'll start here, bring all the way toward the left, and then stop here. Very good. And this side will come, but this side, do not make it too inside. See, start like a curve shape, and then when it's coming down, then you take a turn. Very good. Okay, now let's make the tail. The one curved line, and the curved line will come and connect here. Good job. Same thing. Now the second one, you start a little bit up. Do not start from this point. Start a little bit up, and we'll go down, make a curve, and come up and connect here. Right? Now let's make 2 little circle here. 1 and another circle. So that's the top part of the dress. Now what we'll do, we'll make the hair. For the hair, see, I'm leaving plenty of gap over here. Do not start from very close. Leave a little gap, and then from here I'm bringing one line, a big curved line down, and curl it up toward your left side. Very good. Now we'll continue the same line on the other side, and we'll come here, come all the way down, go toward your left side and connect here. Okay, very good, good job. So this is pretty much it with our mermaid. So we're done here. Now if you want to add some flowers, you can just add some flowers. See? Make a curved line, like a cloud shape, and then come back up here. So that's all. That's pretty much it. And now we'll trace it with our marker. So I took my Sharpie and I have started tracing. Okay, so you're gonna probably ask me that you missed something here. Yes, I missed something here, and which is the arms. Yes, I did not did the arms intentionally, and I think that looks more cuter. So if you want to add some arms, you can do that, but it's like a fish, so I don't want to add the arms, but that's okay. If you want to add, you can definitely add it. So take your time, do all the details you have here with your Sharpie.
So these are the color you need. You need red, blue, green and yellow, and you need your brush.
So I have added my orangish yellow over here on the face and this little body area, and then you will wait for a few minutes to get it dry. So now I'm gonna do the hair, and for that I took my red, and my red is kind of like orangish red. So if you do not have that, you can just use your regular red, that also works. So you can just go slowly and color all the way to the side. Very nice. And make sure the color does not go outside, okay? Okay, when you are doing close to the flower, just make sure a little bit that the color does not go inside the flower. And flower, you can do any color, it does not matter. You can add whatever color you want. So that's it. That's pretty much it. And you will wait a little bit before you color this flower inside. Okay, do not color this flower right away, otherwise the color will spread all over. Beautiful, very nice. So now we'll do this bottom tail part, and for that what I'm doing first, I'm just adding my water without any color. Just add your water entire tail, and then what we'll do, we will use the color blue and green some of the area. So I took my green, and then see, I'm just adding the color over here. Bring it half of the way, do not bring all the way to the tail. Then you quickly wash your brush and make sure it's a little bit dry, and then take your blue, and then you take your blue, and then blue, I have started from this side, don't start from here. Okay, you start from here, and see, it will blend nicely over here. Great job. Don't go too much inside the green. And then over here I have the blue already. Now I'm gonna wash my brush, and then I'll take my green back, and I'll just add the green to the rest of the part. Beautiful. So that's it. So we did our tail. So now I'm gonna take my green and color it half of the way green, and take my blue and then color other half with the blue. Very good. You can just take any color and color the flower. So I'm done with my flower. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, just go and subscribe this channel so you don't miss any video, which I upload pretty much every week. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll take a tiny bit of red and add to the smiley here. Hey guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.